What's up, guys? I'm here to bring you what is down. Bass. What is up? I'm here to bring you what is down. Bass. Yes. And there you're about to hear some issue that happened over the weekend. I hope so most of us know Osofo Kyiri Abosom. Yes. The original name here, Christian Kwabena Andrews. He's known for bringing down shrines in Ghana here, somewhere around 2019, 2020, coming up. No, hey, sure. Krumani na who bring it down. Abosom Chena, Obinya court case. Now we na a show that Uncle Abe hosts every weekend. A friend or two. Now on their last episode, it was Osofo Kyiri Abosom who came on the show, and he made some comments. Commodity issues came up. He said, before no, say Obeba be break, Oba be boo or shine namawa, fine Oba be yama, no unti ashe. I mean, you don't pay anything, but then so Buma ye krana or Samba Mao 5,000 Ghana cedis. And our uncle Abe beside say, nah then Oba be bush shine manipan intin. Why do you give the money the person money? No, say we bunejuma intino. You have to give the person something to start afresh. And our uncle Abe say, okay, understood, fine. Inti say no say obi free say be bu shrine mana. Obaji say. No say economy no more edi intino. Say obi bu ya normal 5k ya. Ti say in double no man. Inti wa calculation. No say Osofo nyame se ode maye kwa nti yen fama kwa meba mami nko ti za Bible verse ma o say Matthew 10 verse 8 o say heal the sick, raise the dead, cleanse lepers, cast out demons. You receive without paying, give without pay. It literally means all the healing powers, it was given to us for free, so we should also give out for free. And also Bible na kasa we were given for free. Yen fama free. Also ye kasa na true. The Bible didn't say that. So I was asking myself, then he had an agenda behind what he was doing, because in Colossians chapter 3 verse 23, also do it from your heart. Whatever you do, do it from your heart, not for people. Do it from your heart, not for people. So it means he had an agenda behind what he was doing. He was doing this because from his own mouth, he said he did it as a bit for people to know that he had powers. Now powers, where were you getting it from? Powers now, where did you get it from? And I also want to emphasize on the part he said, the authority to drive out demons or to cast out demons. If you are saying, it wasn't given to us for free, but a idea you work towards it. And you're not so for Bacho Honum, I was all boy kakra, because from the research I was doing, I wasn't finding any part of the Bible which was saying to work towards the power of God to operate. I wasn't finding anything like that. I stand to be corrected though. Until Osofo say obey man boy with that part now. But I am very sure he was conflicting it with Philippians 2:12, around 12 to 13 there, which was saying to work towards your salvation. I'm sure said that party was trying to conflict it. Yes, so this is what we brought to you today. Aha, any day in the story in the BC. Mejidi say you enjoyed what I did. If you didn't, please let God touch your heart to enjoy it. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, and you can as well follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter at daikblog. My name is Desmond Dyke, and this is what we do. We're going to come back on your screens again. Let me shout. Bye. Bram.